Today we're going to make a turtle sun catcher with wax crayons. What you'll need for this craft is some construction paper, you'll need some wax paper, some scissors, you'll need a glue stick, some masking tape, and you'll need a hair dryer, and you'll need some wax crayons. Preferably, your wax crayons should come with a crayon sharpener so we can collect some shavings. First, place a sheet of wax paper down. Gather shavings from wax crayons and place them in a circle. If you don't have a sharpener to use to collect shavings, you can try grating them or ask an adult to finely chop some crayons for you. The more crayons you put on, the longer it will take for them to melt. Place a second sheet of wax paper over top and tape down all the sides. This is important to keep the wax from running out onto your table. Now, with an adult's help, use a hair dryer on high heat setting to melt the wax crayon shavings. Allow the wax to cool. When it's dry and cool to the touch, remove the tape and cut out a shape. I'm going to cut out a circle. Next, use the construction paper to cut out shapes for your turtle. You should cut out some feet, a tail, and a head. Next, glue your turtle's feet, tail, and head onto the shape you cut out. Use a marker or a pencil or crayons and add a face to your turtle and other details if you'd like. When you're happy with how your turtle looks, hang it in a window so you can catch the sun. And you're finished.